Welcome. In front of me is a Microsoft Surface Go 2, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into the BIOS. So unlike typical Windows, you would normally use a keyboard for this, and I believe like hold F2 or F10, something like that. But here they've gone with a similar to like Android kind of route, so yeah. So anyway, to get started we will want to power off our device, so obviously select Shutdown, and once the device is off you will want to hold volume up. So just kind of flip it so you can see it. Volume up, and then while holding volume up press power key. I'll do that right now. There we go. As you can see, we are now in, guess what is considered as a BIOS in here. So in here they call it Surface EU or UEFI. And obviously we have a couple options in here. We can apparently set up a password for this. We can set up what kind of ports will be read. Boot configuration, so when you insert something it chooses what goes first. This is a typical BIOS kind of things here. For some reason we can also change the date and time in here. And exit, which is what I'm gonna stick with. And obviously you can see that everything works just by touching on it. So and as you can see, there we go. We are now back in Android. So, or not Android, my bad, Windows. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.